Have you ever wondered how life on Earth is so diverse and interconnected? This diversity and interconnectedness is what we call biodiversity. It's the intricate dance of life that happens everywhere, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, and even in your own backyard. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. It includes all organisms, species and populations, the genetic variation among these, and their complex assemblages of communities and ecosystems. It's not just about the number of species, but also about the roles they play in the ecosystem. From the tiniest of insects to the largest of mammals, each has a part to play in maintaining balance. Wildlife, those creatures that roam freely in their natural habitats, are a significant part of this biodiversity. They contribute to the balance of nature, shaping the very landscapes they inhabit while also being shaped by them. But why is biodiversity so important? It's because life, as we know it, depends on it. It influences everything from air quality and climate to food, medicine, and even our cultural identity. Now, let's delve into a specific ecosystem to see how biodiversity plays out in real life. Imagine a place where the land meets the sea, a place teeming with life. Welcome to the mangrove ecosystem. Here, a miraculous play of survival and coexistence unfolds. This is a world where the mighty crocodiles share their home with the seemingly insignificant mudskippers, each playing a role in maintaining the balance of this intricate ecosystem. Take a moment to marvel at the mangrove trees. These are not your average trees. They are the lifeblood of this ecosystem, standing tall and proud, their roots submerged in the brackish water. These salt-tolerant trees and shrubs breathe life into the ecosystem. They are the guardians of the coastlines, their dense root system acting as a natural barrier against storm surges and erosion. But these trees are more than just protective walls. They are the nurturing cradles for a myriad of species. In their shade, a diverse range of creatures find refuge. From the vibrant kingfishers that nest in their branches, to the industrious fiddler crabs that burrow in their roots, every nook and cranny of the mangrove tree is a bustling hub of life. But it's not just about the fauna. The mangroves are also home to a diverse array of flora. The understory is a luscious green tapestry, woven with various species of ferns, grasses and flowering plants. This rich biodiversity not only adds to the visual spectacle, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and vitality of the ecosystem. The mangrove ecosystem is a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. It's a place where life thrives in the most unexpected conditions. It's a place where every species, no matter how small or large, plays a significant role in the grand scheme of things. As you can see, each species in the mangrove ecosystem contributes to its biodiversity, creating a beautiful, complex web of life. This is the story of the mangrove ecosystem, a tale of survival, coexistence, and the extraordinary interplay of life. But what happens when this delicate balance of biodiversity breaks? Imagine a tapestry, each thread woven intricately to create a beautiful picture. Now envision plucking one thread after another. The picture starts to unravel. That's what happens when we lose biodiversity. Our ecosystems, like the mangrove forest we just discussed, become destabilized, creating a domino effect. The loss of a single species can disrupt food chains, affecting other species and even us, humans. Many of the foods we enjoy and the medicines we rely on come from biodiversity. When we lose biodiversity, we are also more vulnerable to natural disasters. Healthy, diverse ecosystems act as buffers against storms and floods. They also help regulate climate, filter water, and recycle nutrients. Wildlife is under threat too, from habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation. These threats chip away at biodiversity, pulling at the threads of our tapestry. The loss of even one species can set off a domino effect, disrupting the entire ecosystem. So, why should we care about biodiversity and wildlife? Well, it's simple. Each creature, each plant, each microscopic organism plays a vital role in the grand scheme of our planet's health. They're all interconnected in a complex, beautiful dance of life, contributing to the equilibrium of our ecosystems. When even one species disappears, it sends ripples through the entire system, potentially leading to significant environmental changes and even more species loss. We've discussed the intricacy of biodiversity, the mangrove ecosystem, and the impact of biodiversity loss. Now it's time for action. Whether it's supporting conservation efforts, making sustainable choices, or educating others about the importance of biodiversity, every little bit helps. The survival of our planet, our wildlife, and indeed our own species hinges on the diversity of life. It's an imperative that we can no longer ignore. Remember, every species matters, and it's on us to protect this intricate web of life on Earth.